Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a fun little program, and it's going to be a loop, and we're going to do the conditional operators and sleep and the subroutine and a little bit of flow control. So nice fun program here. So before we start, as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Do it now. Thanks for supporting the channel. Okay, so we're going to create a subroutine and it's going to be called loop until. Okay, loop until. Okay, we're going to create a variable here called my count, which is going to be equal to 1. So we're just creating the loop first, and my target, which is going to be equal to 20. Okay, so that's my target there. It's going to be equal to 20. And now we're going to do while. So while scalar count is less than or equal to the target, so while the count is less than or equal to 20, we're going to do something. Let me just shift that back there a little bit. Whoops, done the wrong one there. Okay, we're going to print something to the user. So print count is, and then scalar count, new line character there. Okay, and then we're going to do a conditional statement here. So if count is equal to the target there, 20, scalar target, we're going to do something. Just pull that down there a little bit like that. Oops. Okay, that'll do. Print. Let's go around again. Let's go round again. New line character there. I'm going to create a new subroutine called DelayMe. Okay, that's the new subroutine, DelayMe. Then we're going to do the count here, so it's going to be scalar count is equal to count plus 1. This is the short way of doing it. The long way of doing it was going to be count is equal to count plus 1. We can do it that way, or we can do it the shorter way, so I'll just leave it at that for the moment. And now we're going to create a little subroutine, and it's going to be called sub DelayMe. Okay, so that's going to be print. So look here, print 3. Okay, 3. Then sleep for 1 second. It's going to be 1 second there. Sleep for 1 second, and then print 2. Sleep for 1 second, and finally print 1 sleep for 1 second, and then we shall continue the cycle again. Loop until. Okay, so now all we've got to do is to call it. So we're going to call it by loop until. Loop until. Let's just save that. Let's run it. Okay, there we go. So there you go. It counts up to 20. Let's go around again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what's happening here? It's counting until it gets to the target, and when it gets to the target it prints out let's go around again, and this DelayMe, it jumps down to the DelayMe subroutine here, which counts down 3, 2, 1 with a little bit of a break with 1 second for each one of them, and then it goes to loop until, which takes us back to the top again. So let's go around again, and it'll continue going round and around until you stop the program. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember if you've not done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. There's plenty of people on here who've not subscribed. It's not good enough, so hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.